So the diocese were this book, unified themes for Sunday evening instructions. I'm sure no they use melody, and the idea, na every parish, no, but the same thing bagana throughout the diocese. So, but because Nentabo Mission Sunday, I would like to take my reflection from letter Pope der Mission Sunday message, and then Yem Chorime today. Besides that, before the ekpere, anyị na ekpejo. Unfortunately, na ukombem def techere na ho egmiate, but at least I will try to remember some. Ndum geche tegenta by next Sunday. And the format I will be using, aregoma mundile na-eme enwere ogbako boshin ụka. No nwere ka ọdọ no ogbako mana ekpe rosary n'ime ụlọ ụka mụ na anọghị mbọ. Arịọrọ catechism, they are here, so I thank them. Kem na-abịa bendi ikorodo ka na-ebido leke nkebe egwu. Na m sịrị ha time ole bụ notere practice. Hesim no bụ 2 o'clock. Gana na aka no bụ 4:30 na aka. Munu ka na akwado. So I told them, no, it seems abnormal na na-ekpe rosary n'ime. This is some form of family prayer. So it's not a good sight when the rosary is going on n'ime ụlọ ụka. Ndị ọzọ ganọ agwọma m ndị na-ekwe sam hese ha na-abịa Saturday abịakwama bọchị ụka. So I told them, na one day the enough. Do your practices on Saturday. Unu bịa bọchị ụka. You come and join the rosary n'ihe ndị ọzọ ya na-eme. So World Mission Sunday bidoro since 1926. Onye bidoro bụ Pope Pius the 11th since 1926. So non maneme bụ nọmba nke iri itegna na asatọ 98. Bana celebrate this year. Matthew 22:1-14. So you know this parable very well. The Pope Francis, from this parable, when he choose his theme for this year's message, and the theme will go out and invite everyone, because the king said, as many people as you find. I don't know if it is common, but from this parable, I cannot come to the banquet, don't trouble me now. I have married a wife, I have bought me a cow, I have friends and commitments that cost a pretty sum. Pray hold me excused, I cannot come. Onye nke mbụ si na ya lụrụ onye nye ọhụụ si ha ya ka ya megodo nwunye ya enjoy na ya bịakpọtakọ. Onye nke ọzọ si na ya goro eshu ka ya jeje kpashimadịleka na eshu ya nri na dị eshu na ọdara ezigbote oke ọnụ na ya abịakpọtakọ jos gị natanu m excuse. Onye nke ọzọ na ya goro ala ka ya je hemele keta ala na surveyor na abịa ka ya survey mal ka gị natani excuse na ya abịakọ gị. And according to the parable, all the people that were invited to the banquet, none of them came. And the king now said, "Egbome man, akwadome moriri, nri gadma, manyad, ajeriye, majangeya. Just go out to the street. Anybody you see, anybody, just invite them to the." And you know, in Kembo Hefro, we are told, some people are just that nehe rejected the message. Nehe tirihe. And in the world today, of course, the thing that happened to Paul is still happening. Paul, Sir Alexander the coppersmith, has done me great harm. He has done me wrong. No, ben kizire ihon arabo. Ya yagre ihem na to refute every single thing that I say. So the Pope says, this go out and invite everybody. Banyi banis. To go out and invite everybody to the wedding banquet. If you go through the scriptures, you would understand the mbechuku na kowa maka mmekorita anyị na ya n'ihe o ji enye anyị example bụ di na nwunye. That today, the marriage of the Lamb has come, and the bride has made herself ready. The wedding feast of the Lamb. That even the final union, alumdi na nwunye beji enyeyabo example. So it is a very important. The very first miracle that Jesus worked was in the context of a marriage ceremony. So this banquet, and I say I need to come to, but a symbol of that eternal banquet. Odiri nke bebe anakwanyi maka. So the Pope says, no zezir ne enwer action words. Nke mbobo, go out. Go out. That the church is on a mission. And that mission is not excluding anybody at all. You go out, then you invite, and the recipients of this invitation will everyone. And of course, the gospel tells us, and the wedding hall was filled, despite the fact Nendagwa originally they did not come. So now, the involvement banyili lebo metiter ne akpalitani, we would have to go. And then Pope says, ne this invitation makaya to come to the wedding, that those who did it did not force anybody. They did it with meekness, they did it with commitment, they did it with kindness. And of course, Francis will tell us, not Pope Francis, but Francis on Azar, if my memory serves me correctly, no, sir, that we should always spread the gospel. And where necessary, we should use words. Which means no zumbu inez. Abogu just oku no bomume. You all remember the story of Mother Teresa of Calcutta or Kolkata. I don't know which one exactly it is. No, with somebody on a nete, a jido, a hiche, anuri, koja garodroy. So be uru one day, boss ya no muronye ya jagwaga makaya. Osi onye bonyo, osi ane haya bu Jesus. Boss ya onye nme ichori gwaya makaya, one make a boss ya no bugo no ne make ya. No, but that person bonye ya na agbambo kaya mara kaya nwere ike ime kaya Bob asiri Bob non menli na-eme bom Bobby kana agba ka imeme ke somebody ge ka go gwara makonyop na ya nabata ma atself before nega gwaya maka because of the evidence ohugomara in the life of Mother Teresa of Calcutta. A philosopher once said that Christians, they proclaim the message of salvation, and they tell us not a message of joy, a message of happiness, a message of hope. No, but then so be young within the Baraba Guayabne, Yahugo touch ni he. He doesn't even feel the kindness. I think I said it no local here. Oh, we're in the chair, ne, ideally happy na Adema Sogaro, Nietzsche Arochi, ne idegaso. No, bumbele ikpoko meka itobishi angle 90. Igejeje like this. And you queen imeni eka like this. You know, any obereka. I made a joke the other day. I talked about ndena ekere, ichafu kere, kechite anti. But I'm being very mistake. Gunonyo mwe mobere water show. Hey, igana jo mogu. Obo onyu kanyi, kobonyo kozo. So the Pope is saying our life, first of all, should be the invitation that people would look at us and they will ask, you know the people that called us Christians. One of the things, look at how these people love one another. And then eventually they called them Christians. Now, the Pope is also telling us that the Eucharist, which we celebrate, Jamisa, there are some new Eucharistic celebration. But a foretaste, like to give us an idea of what that heavenly banquet is supposed to be. So anybody jeruka, then something is wrong with that person. That means sometimes some people would come and tell you, and I would always advise them, before neboshu kerute, make up your mind mass ichorije. No bunke 6, mob no bunke 8. And nekwa ya jekojeyi, like plan yourself, be sure of what you are going to do and where you will be going to church on Sunday. So that ko bla blorute bosho oganemegu chebo. And sometimes on imurikone mere woye is sneakered giano to nengbede ke ya jeme mass. Okere 5:30 ora nwere isi ka ya zumike net time ka hụrụ na ọ bụrụ na ọkọ 6 ka ya gbalite jere mgbe ya etete n'ụra ọganaka 6:30 mgbe ọbụla ije edigo ụka mbọchị ụka. So in summary, it is our duty to spread the gospel with our life, with joy and with kindness. We go out and call everyone. Otito dili Jesu. I think that does it for Pope's message.